Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Vanessa wig from Jon Renau in the color 1426S10, also known as shaded pralines and cream. So I'm gonna show you the cap and then I'll put this one on. She's kind of no frills. She's got an open cap here, very comfortable, very lightweight, breathes really well, but has a lot of permatease on top, particularly here at the crown. There's that permatease, it's right back here. She also has a pre-cut contoured lace front that goes from temple to temple. It's cut really well. She's also open left on the sides, and in the back she has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters and felt here on the ear tabs. And she is quite stretchy, though I think this one fits true to average. I'm gonna shake her out just a smidge. Now this is a heat-friendly synthetic wig, and these short ones, you can kind of take advantage of the fiber's natural tendency to want to clump up with itself. It's kind of a pain in the rear to do that with long heat-friendly synthetics, but on these short ones, you can make the wig look heavily styled without actually having to put anything in it, because it just sort of wants to do that on its own. See how it's doing that? No product at all. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Vanessa looks like on all sides. This is a great little shorty do. Very nice and lightweight. It's only about 2.3 ounces. It's a little bit tight on me, and that's just because I have an average large cap circumference, as you've probably heard me say in previous videos before. So it fits me kind of tight. It's probably going to fit you very well if you have an average cap size. This is a really nice, relatively inexpensive Jon Renau unit, and you can play around with it. You can do all sorts of stuff with all this layering. Because it's a heat-friendly synthetic, it'll just kind of go into place. It's kind of fun. You can definitely get a lot of volume off of this one if you want, because of that permatease. So there you go, that's Vanessa. And you can find her and all of her other Jon Renau friends at CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks for shopping with us, thanks for watching us, thanks for hanging out with us, and hopefully we'll see you again next time. Bye everybody.